In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Google Play Store not opening on Android. Let's get started. First, close the app completely. Open your recent apps menu, swipe away the Play Store or just tap close all. Then try reopening it, sometimes that's all it takes. Next, fix your date and time settings. For that, open your settings app, scroll down and navigate to the option General Management. Click on the option Date and Time. Make sure you have enabled for the option Automatic Time and Date. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is force stop the app. For that, hit back. Navigate to the option Apps. Now here you're going to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Head over to the app Google Play Store, launch it. Click on the option Force Stop, click on OK. With this, your problem might be resolved. Next thing you want to do is click on three dots given at the top right. Navigate to the option Recent App Preferences. This won't delete your data, it just resets settings that might be blocking Play Store. So click on the option Reset and that's it. Lastly, you can check your storage. For that, head back. Click on the option Battery and Device Care. Click on the option Storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete unused files, photos or videos until you free up some space. So these are some fixes for Google Play Store not working. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.